If you want to enable tap to receive or reject a call instead of the swipe on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you two methods on how to do that. For the first method, just open the phone app, then tap on Settings. Now from here you will find the option of answering and ending calls. Just tap on it, then tap on Gesture to answer calls. Now instead of swipe, just select tap. And after you do that, you will be able to receive or reject a call by simply tapping instead of swiping. But for some reason, if this feature did not work on your tablet, then just follow the second method. For that, just go to Settings. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Interaction and Dexterity, then tap on Assistant menu. Now from here, just enable the Assistant menu. After you do that, you will see this ball on the screen. And also on this page, you will find the option of replace swipe with single tap. Now, if you enable this feature, you will be able to respond to your calls, alarms, and alerts by tapping instead of swiping. And this is how you can enable tap to receive or reject a call on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.